Welcome. Oluwatosin Abbas is here today. In today's video, I'll be revealing how you can read deleted WhatsApp messages. If you got a message and it's deleted and that was not visible to you, I will show you how you can read those messages. So let's get started. Go to your Play Store and search for an app called Was2. With this app, you can play your hands on various things. So I'll take you through the app. So here's the app here. It's called Was2. In my own case here, it's already installed, so I just have to open it. So from your own end, if this app is not installed to your phone, then you can kindly install it to your device. So here it's already installed. So here is the first page that will be displayed to you on the app after installing and after you must have opened the app. So with this app, you can send bulk messages, but this message is not centered on that. So here you can send bulk messages and go ahead and watch the bulk message if you want to do that. Remember, this video is not centered on that. You can use this app for various things. You can use it to save WhatsApp status. For instance, let me just quickly go here. Let me just show you what I mean. Yeah, look at this WhatsApp status. Various status. Which one should I like? Let me just click on one. For instance, if I want to get this picture, there's a way of I can just easily save it. If assuming I know this person and I wanted to reach her as well, I can just easily on WhatsApp Was2 and do a repost for that. So now let's check it out. Just kindly refresh this page, or just kindly go out of it and open the app again. And you'll find it here. Yeah, you can see here's the image. I can easily share it here using this share icon. You can share it to WhatsApp group. You can see I can share it on my status via this medium, and I can also save this to your device. I can save it to my device rather once I click it. So that's one of the functionalities of this app. So that's not the main focus of this video. So how do you recover deleted video messages? Just click on this place here as it is written, recover deleted messages. So now let's do practicals. So on this device I have two WhatsApp accounts, one for my business account and the other one for my personal account. So let me go to my WhatsApp account. Just like this group, you can even go deleted messages on group. This is my own preparation group. I have two WhatsApp accounts, so I've tested this app and I discover it's working. So let me do that again. So let me just test it. Testing Was2 app. Okay, yes, my data is on now. I didn't on my data, that's why it's delayed. So here's the message. I can delete this off if I don't want the recipient to see it. So in the normal circumstances, once you delete it for everyone, then no one will be able to see the message. But with WAS2, you can recover that message. So let's go to the recipient end and see if the message was delivered. You can see the message was delivered. You can see it's showing this message was deleted. So how do you recover these deleted messages? So these are message that was deleted. I've tested and it is working. So how do you recover this deleted message? You want to get to see what someone sent to you, or you are curious about that message and you want to read it out. So you don't even need to tell the person to resend the message. Or if someone just mistakenly spam your group and you want to discover the message, you can just follow this method and you get it done. So just go back to your WAS2 app. Go back to your WAS2 app. Where is the WAS2 app? And kindly come to now use the recover deleted messages. This one. Then kindly turn it on. Turn on grant the app the permission to recover your message. Then click on allow. Then kindly go back and go back. Then you can now click on recover deleted messages. You can see here's the message. So here's the message. So the deleted messages should be on red fonts. You can see this is on red fonts. This is also on red fonts. You can see. So these are deleted messages. So they will be on red fonts. So guys, that's how it works. So guys, that's how it works. You can see all the deleted messages. They are all red fonts. So these are you can read deleted messages or recover deleted messages. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please kindly like this video, kindly share, and do me a favor by subscribing, and do not forget to engage. Thank you.